How to see someone's location on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. After you've clicked on Instagram, search for the person you want to see location of. Click on search bar at the bottom. Then click on top and then search for their account name. Then select their account and press on three dots at the top right corner of your screen in their profile. Now at the bottom, click on About this account. In here, you'll find account based in and you'll find their location, which is their country name in here. And this is how to see someone's location on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.